So what makes the Whole Life Challenge different from other simple diet and nutrition programs? Well, for one, you can eat whatever you want. True story. We're not going to tell you what foods you have to eat and what foods you can't eat. That is up to you, and it always will be. Now, in the game of the Whole Life Challenge, certain foods are going to cost you points, and you'll get to decide, is it worth a point? Now, the difference with the Whole Life Challenge is that you're going to learn to balance what you want to eat with all of the other things that you want in your life. So that point that it's worth might be how you feel. So instead of, is it worth a point, it's, is it worth how I feel? And that point might be your energy. So it might be, is it worth having low energy? Do you want to feel better? Do you want to have more energy? Do you want to get off medication for diabetes or high blood pressure or high cholesterol? Do you want to lose weight? You will learn to eat in tune with what you really want, food that you enjoy that serves your health and your well-being. You do not have to deprive yourself of everything you enjoy. In the Whole Life Challenge, you will build your awareness around all the areas of your health and your fitness and your well-being, your life that matter to you, and use that awareness and that consciousness of what really matters to make better choices more often. Choices that are going to leave you happier, feeling better, more energized, and more empowered to take on the important areas of your life. We're not about being the people who are going to tell you what nutrition plan is right for you. We're about coaching you through the choices you face and allowing you to choose a path that lets you live your best life, one that's healthy and joyful and exciting. You want cake on your birthday? Have it. You want champagne on New Year's Eve? That is part of the program. You want a giant almond croissant every morning with your coffee? Well, we're here to help you see and understand how small daily choices like that one may be standing in the way of other more important things that matter to you more. For us, it's not about not being allowed. It's about being responsible for the inputs and the outcomes. It's about awareness of what you want and what you need to do to get it. The simple things we do every day and how they affect our health and how they affect how our lives turn out. So join us in the Whole Life Challenge and challenge yourself to live the life you've been waiting for.